The embedded technology is advancing fast, and the software code that supports it became so complex, it is now extremely hard to add new features, track the code changes, and generally have a control over the code. Today, we released Mikrosdk, a software development kit that will cut development time and simplify your working experience. The classic code techniques do not work so well anymore. That's why we have developed a modern software tool, Mikrosdk. You're probably wondering what Mikrosdk can do for you. Well, it's going to make your development life so much easier. Code portability and multiple platform support are no longer a problem. Writing your application for Clicker 2 and want to switch to EasyPick, or you want to upgrade to a faster MCU, you have the freedom to choose and the opportunity to save time. And I'll tell you how to use it. Adding a new platform is as simple as writing the new board definition file. Like I said, Mikrosdk makes the code portable and reusable on many platforms and architectures, with virtually no code changes. Writing your application for PIC18 and need to port it to PIC32 or even to ARM, you can do whatever you want, there are no limits. We want to invite you to cut the development time by using Mikrosdk. You can write your application on any of our development boards, like this one for example. Then, you can design your own PCB and you can port the code to the new board with no code redevelopment required. At Mikroelektronika, we value your time and we want to follow you in the process. We have developed Mikrosdk with care to simplify your life and to help you cut the development time. Time you can spend on yourself. That is our mission.